Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change accent color on Windows 10. You can see accent color on various places such as a start menu, taskbar, title bars, and Windows borders. Windows borders in this one is borders. If you will resize it, you will see colors in these sections. On the borders. Similarly, you will find colors on the start menu. And to activate this or to change the accent color, press Windows I on the keyboard. Then click on this one personalization option. Here select colors. Then you can check this option if you want to pick an accent color from background automatically by Windows 10. Then you can check this option. If you want to pick an accent color manually, then just uncheck this option and select any desired color like this. Once you will select any color, it will activate immediately. You can see the borders and you can see here also this vertical line. This all has been changed. You can see these buttons has been changed color. If you will select another color, it will immediately change. Like this, you can manually set accent color manually. In case if you don't love these colors, just click on this one option, custom color. On the color palette, move your cursor and choose your desired color. Then click on this one done button and you can see colors has been changed. Similarly, in borders also it will be changed and you can see the start menu has been changed. Like this, you can set accent colors or change accent color on your Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you have already subscribed and you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.